Hi everyone, this is Lily Hwang with Sin 21 Prime Time. I like to continue talk subject is, do you think the prices will go down? I have more data to show you. This is provided by the title company, National Title. In regard to the year over year, from the previous year performance to the current year performance from January to the end of the April. City Rancho Cucamonga, okay, and the activity is dropped 35%, but the prices going up 7%. Fontana City activity dropped 34%, price go up 13%. Chino activity dropped 44%, price go up 7%. Upland and the activity is dropping 41%, price go up 4%. And this tell you stay home policy and activity is dropping, but the price is still going up. I will continue to offer you update information. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, thank you so much, Lily Huang.